Hello, we are going to talk about types of industries. Okay, so when you hear that word industry, what comes to your mind? Okay, let us know what is industry. Industry is a group of companies that are related on their primary business activities. Okay, so we first differentiate what is business and what is industry. Okay, so industry is a more broad term that often compasses or compose of multiple businesses. So a single business can operate in any industry. Okay, so for example, Jollibee is a food business. Okay, um, Jollibee, Chowking, Greenwich, Mang Inasal, KFC. Okay, they offer food. Okay, they are in the food business. Okay, so those businesses belongs to food industry. Okay, so we are now going to talk about the types of industry. So we have the construction, food industry, transportation, energy industry, hospitality, agriculture, manufacturer, mining. Okay, so these are some kinds of industry. Okay, so we are going to discuss those examples. Okay, so first is the construction industry. This one. Okay, so construction industry refers to the industrial branch of manufacturing and trade related to building, repairing, renovating, and maintaining infrastructure. Okay, so those businesses that operates um, like building condominiums, building bridges, dams, roads, airports, railways, pipelines, those businesses belongs to construction industry. Okay, so these are the example. No, it can be public and private sector organizations involved in planning, designing, constructing, and maintaining physical structures such as those mentioned, right? The building of the roads, the bridges, the dams, airport, railways, buildings, and pipelines. Okay, all businesses that offer those services belongs to construction energy industry rather. They belong to construction industry. Okay, we move forward to food industry. So the food industry is a complex global network of diverse businesses that supplies most of the food consumed by the world's population. So the food industry today has become highly diversified, with manufacturing ranging from small, traditional, family run activities that are highly labor intensive to large, capital intensive, and highly mechanized industrial processes. So many food industries depend almost entirely on local agriculture, animal farms produce and or fishing, so these are their raw materials in making, no, in producing their food. Okay, so example of the food industry, it has been mentioned, those restaurants, those fast foods. Okay, so they belong to food industry. Okay, next is the transportation industry. Okay, so the transportation industry sector comprises a wide range of service providers covering all models of transport, like the air, road, rail, sea, as well as related services such as warehousing, handling, stevedoring, And finally, value added services like packaging, labeling, and assembling. Okay, so some examples of transportation industry, we have the Cebu Pacific, we have the buses, no? The those to go, those shipping lines, and which also includes no other related services such as the warehousing, the handling of products, the loading and unloading, and also with other related value added services like the packaging of the goods, the labeling, and the assembling. Okay, so they all belong to transportation industry. Okay, next is the energy industry. So this energy sector or industry includes companies involved in the exploration and development of oil or gas reserves, oil and gas drilling, and refining. So the energy industry also includes integrated power. Okay, so those businesses that um, are operating under exploration and development of energy, no, the wind energy, as we can see in our example here, the windmill, the wind energy, water energy, solar energy, and the like, no, all of them belongs to the energy industry. Okay, next, we have the hospitality industry. So, a broad group of businesses that provides services to customers. Okay, so it is considered hospitality industry. Okay, so it is a broad category of fields within the service industry that includes lodging, food, beverage service, event planning, theme parks, travel agency, tourism, hotels, restaurants, and bars. Everything, no, that provides service, no, which includes this being mentioned, are those belongs to hospitality industry. Okay. Next is the agriculture. Okay, so agriculture encompasses crop and livestock production, aquaculture, fisheries, and forestry. For food and non food products, agriculture was the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surpluses that enabled people to live in cities. Okay, so agriculture industry is very important to our economy. Okay, next, we have the manufacturer or manufacturing industry. Okay, so this industry where the goods are produced in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable products is called the manufacturing industry. So the classification of manufacturing industries is given here. Okay, this is our example. Okay, that is manufacturing industry. We convert the raw materials into a useful finished product. Okay, that is manufacturing industry. All businesses that operates under this processes belongs to manufacturing industry. Okay, the last one is the mining industry. This involves the discovery and extraction of naturally occurring minerals from the earth. Since the beginning of civilization, clay, stones, and metals found close to the earth's surface were used to make tools, weapons, vessels, and goods for wealth and trade. Okay, some are um, being used to be uh, converted into jewelry such as gold. Okay, so this is mining industry. Okay, so that would be all, and thank you for listening.